Okay. Hi guys, it's Kate here. Today we're going to be playing another Fortnite video. So in this Fortnite video, we're going to be playing probably 2 or 1 matches, only 15 minutes for these 2 matches. And let's see how this goes. And I won't be talking for much of the video. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Thanks, boy. A unicorn. Hug. Hug. Or maybe just play 1 match. I don't know. Let's play. Okay. Hello down there. How's your day been? Oh snap, someone got a shotgun under me. Oh snap. All I can do is dance. That's the only thing I can do to get their attention. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot I was playing that mode. And I don't know why it's Spanish. This is so annoying that it's Spanish.